Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor settings not working. So here's a fix for your OSD reset, firmware update, and button. Fix 1. Restart the compute monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable for around 30 to 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn the monitor on. Fix 2. Make sure the OSD menu isn't locked. Press the joystick or menu button on the back of the monitor. If the menu is locked, press and hold the joystick or menu button for about 10 seconds to unlock it. Try changing the settings again. Fix 3. Check the current input. Some settings are unavailable on certain inputs or resolutions. Switch to the correct HDMI or DisplayPort input and try again. Fix 4. Disable HDR or adaptive sync temporarily. Features like HDR, adaptive sync, or console mode can lock certain picture settings. Turn these features off, then check if the settings become available. Fix 5. Reset the monitor to factory settings. Open the monitor's OSD menu. Go to Settings or System Settings. Select Reset or Factory Reset. Confirm the reset and let the monitor restart. Fix 6. Update your graphics driver. Install the latest graphics driver for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card. Restart your computer after the update. Fix 7. Update the monitor's firmware. If your MSI monitor supports firmware updates, install the latest firmware using MSI's update tool. This can fix bugs that prevent settings from working properly. Fix 8. Test another device or cable. Connect the monitor to another computer or gaming console. Try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable to rule out a cable or device issue. Fix 9. Contact MSI support. If none of the above steps work, the monitor may have a firmware or hardware issue. Contact your MSI support for further troubleshooting or warranty assistance. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.